Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic of economics, death rate and fertility rate. The death rate is a demographic metric that measures the number of deaths per thousand individuals in a population during a specific time period. It is also referred as crude death rate. It is an indicator of a region or country's health status, medical services, living standards, and socio-economic conditions. Current death rate in India. As of 2022, India's crude death rate was 9.07 deaths per thousand people. The rate has shown stability over recent years, and projections suggest a gradual decline in coming decades. Factors influencing death rate. Healthcare services. Access to quality healthcare reduces the death rate. Nutrition levels. Adequate nutrition improves health outcomes, lowering mortality. Age structure. A higher proportion of elderly individuals may increase the death rate. Diseases, infections, and chronic illness contribute significantly to mortality. Disaster and accidents. Natural calamities, wars, and accidents can lead to temporary spikes in the death rate. Now we come to fertility rate. Fertility rate refers to the potential of an individual or population to reproduce. It is commonly measured using the total fertility rate that is known as TFR, which indicates the average number of children a woman is expected to have during her lifetime. Current fertility rate in India as of 2022, India's total fertility rate, that is TFR, was 2.01 births per woman. Projections suggest that a decline to 1.94 births per woman by 2025 and further 1.69 births per woman by 2100. Factors influencing fertility rate. First, socio-economic conditions. Higher education levels among women are associated with lower fertility rates. Economic status. Fertility rates are often higher in economically disadvantaged families. Cultural and religious beliefs. In many societies, larger families are culturally preferred, increasing fertility rates. Healthcare and medical services. Availability and use of contraceptives reduce fertility rates. Maternal health care services also impact fertility. Government policies, family planning programs, and awareness campaigns play a key role in controlling fertility. Outcomes of fertility rate. High fertility rate leads to rapid population growth, putting pressure on resources. Low fertility rate can result in population decline, potentially causing labor shortages. Both death rate and fertility rate are critical in shaping a country's demographic balance and overall development trajectory.